In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up HoneyBook. Whether you're just getting started with HoneyBook or looking to refine your setup, this tutorial will help you get everything in place efficiently. Let's dive in and take a closer look at each step to ensure your HoneyBook workspace is perfectly tailored to your business needs. As you log into your HoneyBook dashboard, you'll notice a section labeled Let's Start Step by Step. This is your central hub for setting up everything smoothly. We'll begin by choosing your plan. It's important to pick a plan that aligns with both your workflow and business goals. Consider the size of your business, the features you need, and your budget when making this decision. HoneyBook offers different plans, so take a moment to review them and select the one that best fits your needs. Next, let's add your services to the hub. This process takes about a minute. By centralizing your offerings, you can quickly build proposals, contracts, and other essential files. Think about the services you offer most frequently and how you can best present them to your clients. This will not only save you time, but also ensure that your clients receive clear, professional proposals every time. Now, it's time to customize your project types, which should take about 2 minutes. Defining the types of projects you manage allows you to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Whether you're handling weddings, corporate events, or creative projects, having specific categories helps streamline your workflow and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Moving on, let's tailor your pipeline. This step will take around 3 minutes. Your pipeline is crucial for managing how you move clients from inquiry to follow-up. Take a moment to think about the stages of your workflow and how you can best represent them in HoneyBook. By customizing these stages, you'll have a visual representation of where each client is in your process, making it easier to stay on top of tasks and deadlines. Now, let's import your client list, which is a quick 1-minute task. Bringing in your existing contacts is essential for starting to manage real relationships in HoneyBook. If you have your contacts stored in another application or file, you can easily import them to save time. This way, you can jump right into managing your clients without manually inputting each contact. After importing your contacts, it's time to create your first project. Set aside about 3 minutes for this. Setting up a workspace for a client engagement allows you to see how everything connects within HoneyBook. As you create a project, you'll be able to link your services, contracts, and communications all in one place, providing a seamless experience for both you and your client. Lastly, add your first contact, which will take just a minute. Adding a client to your project ensures that you can communicate effectively and keep all relevant information in one place. This simple step is key to maintaining organized and professional interactions with your clients. And there you have it. This simple guide has walked you through how to set up HoneyBook so you can focus more on what you love, growing your business and delighting your clients. With everything set up, you're now ready to manage your projects and clients with ease. Thanks for joining me and happy organizing with HoneyBook.